In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set expiry time on message editing in Slack. So if you want to prevent Slack users from being able to edit their messages after a short period of time, then you can go ahead and set this in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your Slack account and then head over to your Workspace name here and click on this drop down. From this, go to Tools and Settings, and under it look for Settings option and click on Workspace Settings. Now this will open a new tab, and on this sidebar go for Administrations and then click on Settings and Permissions. Now under Settings and Permission, head to Permissions and then scroll down until you get to Message Editing and Deletion. You're told choose when to allow message editing and deletion. So if you click on Expand, you can see on editing, it is set to allow editing. However, I'd like to go ahead and put a timeline on this. So I'll click on drop down here and then I'll choose, maybe I want this to be allowed up to 1 hour after posting. This means that beyond 1 hour after the message has been posted, the sender cannot edit or make changes to the message. From here, go ahead and save these changes, and this change will apply to all accounts in Slack. So that's how you can set message editing time in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.